Hi, it's Rich Schulte, co-founder of eMed Partners. We are a medical billing company based in the Washington, D.C. area. We're here today to talk about how to outsource the insurance follow-up process or denials management process. And there are several really good reasons why you would do this. Before we get started, I'd like to point out that this is an idea you can actually execute. There are a lot of ideas floating around medicine today, many of which you can't do anything about or they're very expensive. This, on the other hand, outsourcing follow-up, you can do quickly and you can begin making a very positive impact on your practice's finances. Let's take a look. Here's a typical medical practice, what we see on a day-to-day basis. You have your own team of billers, your own medical billing department, your own software, and you're engaged in this follow-up process. So we have a pile of claims here on the left, and it's a pile that's bigger than anyone wants it to be. We're doing all these work steps and tasks in the middle to get these claims followed up on and paid. And we're working with the insurance companies. Unfortunately, this is a very time-consuming and tedious process. There's a lot of moving parts. The pile on the left of claims continues to be added to on a day-to-day basis. And anything that goes wrong with this process here between the company getting information back to the staff just makes it that much slower and that much more inefficient. It's also something that your team is usually performing as time allows, and that makes it even more difficult. So no one has a team of people dedicated to only follow-up process. That's just not a reality in today's economy. Everybody is multitasking. Everybody's responsible for many different things, and that makes any one thing very hard to do. Because of all these inefficiencies, these holes in your practice develop, and we've illustrated them down here at the bottom. And these are holes through which your money is draining. And we're calling that where other work gets neglected. So the things that you want your people focused on and you want them to be spending a lot of their time and attention, they just can't get to them. Write-offs that shouldn't be happening, things are falling through the cracks. Unfortunately, some of these claims are high dollar claims, and it's expensive. It's difficult to pay a group of people in today's economy, and that just adds to the overall cost and efficiency of doing this internally. So what can we do about it? Well, here's a typical outsourcing scenario, and here's how it works. So your medical billing team continues to do what it does with the core billing functions. You take the insurance follow-up part and outsource it. You move it over here to this billing company, and you do that by providing an accounts receivable spreadsheet to them with all the claims listed, or you let them log in remotely to your system. Either way, you can start with a spreadsheet and let them log in after a while, after you've gotten used to each other and familiar with each other. Those are options. But essentially, your claims are now flowing on a conveyor belt over to this company. Now, what they're going to do is throw a whole team of people at your pile of claims. Many more people than you could possibly throw at it. And for that reason and others, they're going to be able to track every single claim to resolution. You can have them resubmit it or just advise the next step. That's an option that's up to you. But essentially, these claims are being tracked and followed through to resolution and reported back to you. This allows your people to focus on the things that you really want them focused on, which is making sure that each claim is correct so that your claims, your higher percentage of your claims, are paid the first time that they're submitted, which helps make the overall pile of denied claims smaller. So, why does it matter to your practice in summary? Well, hopefully your practice is a lot happier, but your staff has more time, as we just pointed out. There's less money sitting in that pile of accounts receivable or AR. Your write-offs go down and are decreased to a de minimis level, and the cash on hand increases. Very important. If you reduce your accounts receivable by a large margin, or whatever you reduce it by, that's going to be more cash in your bank. When you look at that bank statement's daily balance, it's going to be higher, and that's a key thing in today's economy. Here's how we do it at eMed Partners, and you can use this as an example out in the marketplace. We charge $11.75 per hour of production. There's no additional taxes or fees, and we do offer 1-month pilot service. Let's take a look at how you can reach us. And if you're seeing this on our website, then just click the Get Started button up there on the right. If you're watching us on YouTube or elsewhere, then certainly visit our website, or go ahead and email me directly, and I'll leave this up a sec. You can write down my email address as you see it there. Okay. Well, thank you for watching today, and we look forward to hearing from you. If you'd like us just to deliver more information or education, we're more than happy to do that. If you'd like us to engage with you and provide a pilot service, you can test this outsourcing of follow-up work. We're, of course, happy to do that as well. Just get in touch. Look forward to chatting with you again. Again, Rich Schulte with eMed Partners. We'll see you next time.